Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging question from rational equations which we are going to solve for the real values of x where x cannot be minus 5 over 3. So let's get started. I will begin with taking 13 common from this bracket. So it will come out as 13 cube. So I can write our equation 13 cube times 3x plus 5 whole cube over 5x plus 2 whole cube minus 2x minus 3 whole cube equal to 13. Now we can divide both sides by 13. So I will write here 1 and here power will be 2 only. So 13 square is 169 times 3x plus 5 whole power 3 over 5x plus 2 whole cube minus 2x minus 3 whole cube. This will be equal to 1. Now we can divide both sides by 169. So let me write here divided by 169. This side also in the denominator we will write 169. So 169 will be cancelled out from our LHS numerator and denominator. So we can write our equation 3x plus 5 whole cube over 5x plus 2 whole cube minus 2x minus 3 whole cube. This is equal to 1 over 169. Now I will take this minus sign into this bracket. So I can write minus 1 as minus 1 whole cube. Let me write here 3x plus 5 whole cube over 5x plus 2 whole cube. Then we can write minus 1 as minus 1 cube times 2x minus 3 whole cube. And RHS will be writing 1 over 169. Now we can club these two bases as powers are same. So I can write 3x plus 5 whole cube over 5x plus 2 whole cube plus, and in the bracket we can write 3 minus 2x whole cube. RHS is 1 over 169. Now x cannot be equal to negative 5 over 3. So I can flip numerator and denominator, both sides. So let's consider reciprocal both sides. We will be getting 5x plus 2 whole cube plus 3 minus 2x whole cube over 3x plus 5 whole cube. This will be equal to 1 over 169, reciprocal of that, so 169 only. Now I will split our numerator with respect to denominator. So I can write 5x plus 2 over 3x plus 5 whole cube plus 3 minus 2x over 3x plus 5 whole cube This will be equal to 169. Now we can consider our substitution. Let's say this bracket is A, this bracket is B. So the very first equation which we can write, A cube plus B cube equal to 169. Now I will calculate A plus B also. So let me write here A plus B. This will be equal to 5x plus 2 over 3x plus 5 plus 3 minus 2x over 3x plus 5. Denominator is same. We can simply add the numerators. We will write 5x plus 2 plus 3 minus 2x over 3x plus 5. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. 2 plus 3 is 5. And denominator is also 3x plus 5. So we are getting A plus B equal to 1. And this equation I will consider equation number 2. So let me write our equations here. A cube plus B cube equal to 169 and A plus B equal to 1. Now I will write one algebraic formula A plus B whole cube, which is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3 times AB in the bracket A plus B. Now A plus B is 1, so I will write 1 cube. A cube plus B cube is 169 plus 3 times AB times A plus B is 1. Or I can write 1 equal to 169 plus 3AB. Now we will take 169 to the LHS. So equation will become 3AB equal to minus 168. Now we will divide both sides by 3. So this 3 and 3 will be over. We will get AB equal to minus 56. Now our equation is 3. Now I will write our equation 2, which was A plus B equal to 1. So from here I can write the value of B. This will be 1 minus A, which we will apply here. So I can write our equation A times 1 minus A equal to minus 56. A times 1 minus A equal to minus 56. Or A minus A square equal to minus 56. Or A square minus A minus 56 equal to 0. Now we can factorize this quadratic equation. So I can write A square. Minus A can be written as minus 8A plus 7A. As the product of minus 8A and 7A is minus 56A square equal to 0. Now we can take A common from first two terms. We will get A minus 8 in the bracket. Then 7 is common. In the bracket we'll have A minus 8 equal to 0. So from here I can write A minus 8 times A plus 7 equal to 0. Or we can write either A equal to 8 or A equal to negative 7. Now A was our substitution. A was 5x plus 2 over 3x plus 5, which we are going to apply here. So I can write two equations. I will write 5x plus 2 over 3x plus 5. This will be equal to 8, and 5x plus 2 over 3x plus 5 equal to negative 7. Let's solve. I will cross multiply. So we can write 5x plus 2 equal to 8 times 3 is 24x, 8 times 5 is 40. Now I will take 5x to the RHS and 40 to the LHS. So I can write 24x minus 5x on one side. On the other side we can write 2 minus 40. So this will give us 19x. Here we will write minus 38. Now we can divide both sides by 19 to collect our final answer, x equal to minus 2, the first real solution. Now we will consider our second equation. Again I will cross multiply and I can write 5x plus 2 equal to minus 7 times 3, so minus 21x, minus 7 times 5, so minus 35. Now I will take 5x to the RHS minus 35 to the LHS. So I can write 35 plus 2. This will be equal to minus 21x minus 5x. So here we can write 37 and RHS will give us minus 26x. Now we can divide both sides by minus 26. We will get our second solution, x equal to minus 37 over 26. So we have in total two solutions, negative 2 and negative 37 over 26. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.